In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WordPress not sending Ninja Forms emails. If form submissions aren't landing in your inbox, we'll walk through a clear checklist to get messages flowing again. First, open your form in Ninja Forms and head to Emails and Actions. Make sure there's an email action added. Without it, nothing will send. Open that action and verify the basics. The to address should be the correct recipient, typically your site admin email. The from address should use your own domain, like noreply@yourdomain.com, not a free mailbox provider. This helps with deliverability and keeps spam filters happy. If you want to reply directly to the person who filled out the form, set reply to the user's email field. Save your changes. Next, confirm that WordPress itself can send emails. Install a mail logging plugin so you can see what's going out, and a testing plugin to send a manual test from the dashboard. Send a test email. If it fails, the issue is site-wide and not just Ninja Forms. If it succeeds, return to your Ninja Forms settings and fine-tune the email action details you just checked. If WordPress can't send, switch to a dedicated SMTP solution. Install an SMTP plugin such as WP Mail, SMTP, or Post SMTP Mailer/email log. Connect it to a reliable mail provider using their SMTP settings and authentication. Popular services like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Zoho Mail, or your hosting provider will give you the server, port, and encryption details. Most SMTP plugins include a send test email button. Use it and don't move on until it reports success. To further boost deliverability, add SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records to your domain's DNS. These records prove that your site is authorized to send mail on behalf of your domain and dramatically reduce spam flagging. Your email provider supplies the exact records to add, and changes can take time to propagate. Also, check your spam or junk folder. If messages are there, mark them as not spam. To train your mailbox, keep using a domain base from address and avoid mismatched from and reply to values, which can trigger filters. If emails still don't arrive, rule out conflicts, temporarily deactivate other plugins, especially security or email-related tools, and test again. You can also switch to a default theme like 2025 to eliminate theme-related issues. Finally, retest Ninja Forms. Return to Emails and Actions, submit a test entry, and confirm the result in your mail log or inbox. By validating settings using SMTP, authenticating your domain, and eliminating conflicts, you'll restore reliable Ninja Forms email delivery.